In the last video, what we were talking about is, what were we talking about? This pink eye is really getting to me. Right, you need to set up a Firebase console account because you have this firebase.js and you need to get the config keys for this. So go to Google, do Firebase console. It's the first link that you check. You'll probably end up in somewhere like this where you go click add project, enter a project name. You could do like Dancing Nomads mobile 22 or whatever the heck you want to call it. Continue. You can add Google Analytics if you want, but you're gonna click not right now and then click create project. I'm not gonna do that because I already have one that I was gonna use to demo with you guys here. And after you click create project, you'll end up getting this page when it's done loading. Go click continue, and to get that config, it's actually really easy. I think it's just right here. No. Let's go to settings. Where are my settings? Project settings. So they set up from keys for you. That's not what you need either. It's been a while since I did this. I'm pretty sure. I think it was there actually. So let's go click web. And let's just call it Dancing Nomads Mobile 2. Register your app. And ta-da! You just copy and paste this. Actually, you just need this part. So take that, go to here, and replace it. And then you're set. And that's basically all you need to do. I don't know where this app ID come from. I don't think you need that app ID, but since they just added there, let's just keep it. That's basically it. Please rate, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Join that mailing list if you haven't already. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care.